Hey guys, today I'll be showing you this simple vector store. A lot of people don't know that you can actually use vectors in n8n natively. So this is the video for you. So to get it, go to the plus, write simple, and as you can see, we have simple vector store for beginners. Not simple memory, simple vector store. Get it? Choose whatever because we're gonna change the action whenever we want, and you will present it with this. Of course, we'll leave it later because we have to set up a couple of things. First off, we need an on-form trigger. So to get it, go to add another trigger since we have it. But if you're new, you will have the trigger list and on-form submission. Why? Because we're gonna embed a file. Once you do that, you get your trigger, you get like this. Let's modify it a bit. So let's go in here and we got a couple of things. First, the authentication. Leave it as none. The form title, which is the title of the form, give it whatever name you want. I named it file. And we move on to the form elements. Of course, give a form description. Form elements, field name, I named the label, data, and the element type file. Of course, multiple files if you want, and you give the extension of the file that you need. So in this case, it's JSON. So with that, we're done. Let's execute it to see what we got. So execute the step. As you can see, we got the form. So give it a JSON. Give me a second. So I give it a file here. We submit and it should have passed. Yep, as you can see, we have it right here. Now, we move on to the extract from file. Since we gave it a JSON file, we need to extract the content. So to get it, just go here, extract from file, and choose whatever file type that you gave. For example, I gave JSON, of course. It's gonna be extract from JSON. You can change it later on if you want. So leave it at JSON. Let's delete this and we go back to our node. So for our node, simple setup, the input binary field, which is upload, and the destination output, which is data. Say the upload is the same as the one that we got from our file, from our own form submission. So if we execute it, as you can see, it extracted all the contents of the file. With that, the setup is done. Let's move on to our simple vector store. So if we go here, we got a couple of actions. We can get many if you already have it embedded. We can insert documents, retrieve documents from retrieve documents. This retrieve is more build tools and stuff, and retrieve from documents is this build for AI agents. So you can actually put it as a tool for an AI agent if you have. But let's leave it at insert document. Of course, memory key from list, it will create one, but if you already have one, and the embedding batch size 200, whatever you need, depends on the model that you're gonna use, which leads us to this. As you can see at the bottom, you have two things. You have the embedding, which is the model that you're gonna use. I used text embedding 004 from Gemini. Of course, you can choose whatever model you want. Of course, give it the credentials, give it the API key right here, and you're all set to go. So let's close this. And of course, the documents. So this one, how it's gonna load the documents from the vector store. We don't need that. It's highly unnecessary. So the type of data that's in the store is JSON. The mode, load all input data. Of course, you can specify the data. I just load all. And text split in simple, custom. Just leave it as simple. And with that, if we execute this step, let work for a bit. As you can see, we got a lot of options. We have 277 items embedded. So that's how the node works. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.